This is a realistic solar system 3D model. We can see nothing. We should see Sun because Sun is very bright. But in computer, 1 pixel has maximum brightness. If we see Sun from Neptune, the Sun looks like a small dot. If we zoom in, maybe 10 times, now we can see the Sun. This model is useless. We need enlarge these planets 1,000 times. Now you can see the Saturn. Okay, we have enlarged all planets 1,000 times. This is Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury. Let's look down from top. The light color part is easy to see before midnight. The dark color part is easy to see after midnight. Okay, let me change time to 2024 November. You can see Venus and Mercury at nightfall. See Saturn at night. See Jupiter and Mars before dawn. Firstly, let's observe Venus with telescope. On September 1st, 2024, Venus is far away from Earth. The Venus looks round in telescope. On February 21st, 2025, Venus is near with Earth. The Venus looks like a crescent moon. The phases of Venus is quite like Moon's phases. Secondly, let's observe Mars. On January 1st, 2024, Mars is far away from Earth. The unit is not meter, it's terameter. The Mars is small in telescope. On January 1st, 2025, Mars is near with Earth. The Mars is bigger and brighter. When Mars is near Earth, it's opportunity to launch Mars mission. For example, in 2020 July, China and US launched Mars mission separately. In US, Mars 2020, a NASA Mars mission, was launched on July 30th, 2020, and landed on Mars on February 18th, 2021. (2020 July, 2022 September, and 2024 November, all a good Mars mission launch window. Unfortunately, there is no launch plan this year.